Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick overview and install video on the Lasfit Floormats made for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Come on, let's check them out. Alright, so this is the box. Basically, it will come on this box, so they will ship it on this box when you order them. And this is the model number LLTY26. So let's open it up. So I'm still using my floor mats on my 4Runner, also from Lasfit, and they are doing very well. I like how they look like and the function. Basically, they're floor mats, they're easy to install, but the coverage on this mats very good. So let me remove that, and here you go. Package comes in. So it has a user manual. So yeah, so just if you need this, then yeah, just use it. But again, it's pretty straightforward on how to install these floor mats. Make sure to secure them also. So this is the driver side floor mat. This is nice, I like it. So if you can see here, all the channels. So this is where all the dirt and water will go. So the coverage on this one is nice up to the side basically. They are like a bowl type floor mats. So that's the driver side. Also has this. It's like a, I don't know, it's sticking my hand. But yeah, so it says here, please don't worry if your floor mats gets folded when coming out of the package. Give the floor mats some time to lay flat to restore its resilience. Yeah, so if necessary, you can manually unfold it on the opposite direction of the fold, basically. So yeah, so you can leave it basically like laying flat, especially the passenger, the rear passenger. Yeah, so what I like about this, they have the locks in here. You can secure them so that they won't slide. And also they have this teeth that will grab on your existing carpet so that they won't slide also. But again, those locks basically helps a lot. So this one is the one that we need to lay flat. If it's, yeah, if you can see here, it's not really into shape because it's been folded. So you can lay it flat, or we can just let it rest like that to give its weight, like that. So just leave it and put some weight on it. We can probably just put this on top and leave it like that for a while, and it will go back to its shape and we can install it properly. So this will be installed on my friend's Tacoma. So I'm not sure how the back looks like, but one good thing about this is it has the holes. I'm not sure if they have the lock in there, but yeah, it has like a provision for it. So I'm not sure, but I think there's no lock. I'm not sure, but I will check on my friend's car later. He will come here later so that we can get this installed. But yeah, so again, this material is very good. It is very soft. It is kind of rubbery, plasticky, but it's not slippery. So yeah, this material is TPE. So yeah, so I think it shows here. If it shows TPE in here. Yeah, so that's the material on this particular floor mats. They are nice, so I'm gonna leave this here for a while. And if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link on the description below. You can use my discount code, which will be on the screen or in the description. Again, these are very nice floor mats. So see you later on the install. All right, so my friend is on his way and we're going to install this on his Tacoma. So I'm not sure about the year, what Tacoma he got, but let's check it out. All right, so here, as you can see here, poor coverage in the back on the factory floor mats. On the side, also poor coverage. Come on, let's install the new ones. All right, so here's the side-by-side comparison of the factory floor mats and the Lasfit. So the difference that I can see here, this is more of a bowl type thing, especially here, the end by the seats. So compare here, the lip is lower than this one. Right, so let's do the install. So install is very straightforward. So you just put it in there. There you go. Don't forget to lock it to avoid it from sliding. And from here, as you can see here, it is more covered here in the back, also on that side. And there you go, that's the shot. So let's just do the rest of the car. Yeah. All right, so time for the passenger side. And don't forget to lock them. Coverage is nice. Again, the material is awesome on this one. Again, Lasfit always doing a great job on this one. All right, so let's proceed with the rear. All right, so installing this, you need like 2-person if taking a video. There you go. So just nice fit, fits well. So there's some creases in there, but that will flatten out. So again, the coverage here, it's very good. Water will not fall back in there. So it has great channel in here, deeper channels. And again, water will not go and dirt will not go on this side. So yeah, so if you want to purchase this, put the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.